if you're experiencing login issues on the Hancock Whitney mobile app, follow these steps to quickly resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Step 2. Update the app. Visit your device's app store and check for any available updates for the Hancock Whitney mobile app. Keeping the app updated can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 3. Verify your credentials. Double check that you are entering the correct username and password. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password feature to reset it. Step 4. Clear app cache. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Reinstall the app. If the problem persists, uninstall the Hancock Whitney mobile app and then reinstall it from your app store. This can fix any corrupted files that might be affecting your login. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to Hancock Whitney customer support for further assistance.